Hello Virtuous family, welcome to VirtuousSkills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is my favorite butter cookies, must watch. If you truly want to know how I came up with these favorite butter cookies that my kids and anyone that came across it love and enjoy so much, please relax, let me walk you through my recipes. I use only 3 recipes for these butter cookies, of which rising flour is one of them. This is honey, which I tag optional. Please, you can use sugar if you so wish, okay? And this is my butter. Please bear in mind that I will be adding vanilla extract off the camera for a better flavor. But if you don't want to add, there is no problem about that. So let's move ahead. My butter is in the bowl already. I will start beating it together with the honey, and I will be adding the honey small. Please, if you are using sugar, add it this time and beat together until it becomes light and very fluffy. Why I'm adding the honey small is because honey and butter is very oily, so if I add all the same time, they may splash everywhere and mess up my working surface, and I don't have time for too much cleaning. As you can see, the face is changing. I'm getting close to what I want. It is light and fluffy now. Now I'll be adding the flour inside the butter, and I will add it in batches and mix until it is well combined. After adding the flour, if your hand is not so free with the hand mixer, please you can use your spatula, okay? Please note, if your dough is over soft, add a little flour depending on your measurement and mix it up to get the best consistency after mixing. This is the consistency I'm going for, guys. If you want to add more flour, if it's too soft, you can add, but this is the right consistency I'm going for. Now I will mix it a bit with my spatula. Please don't over mix at this stage and then transfer it to my working surface. Now the dough is on the working surface, as you can see. On this stage, I will work on the dough just to form well for 10 seconds. Please don't overwork on the dough, okay? After working on the dough, I will cover it with a plastic film, just like so. Please, you can as well cover with a parchment paper. Then place or put it inside a refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes to be chilled and firm before rolling it out. You can as well roll it out before placing it inside the refrigerator. This is how the dough looks like after being 20 minutes in the fridge. I will now remove the plastic film and place the dough on my work surface just like so, and cover it with a parchment paper, and then roll it out gently to my desired thickness. Please, I mean gently. Remember, it came out from the fridge so that it will not break out, okay? After which, I will remove the parchment paper. This is my cookie cutter. They came in different shapes and sizes. Now I will start cutting the dough in different shapes and sizes, and this is how I'll keep cutting it one after the other until I'm done. And when I'm done, Virtuous family, I will come back with the next step. This is my baking pan with a parchment paper in it to avoid sticking. I did it off the camera, and I will transfer the cookies in it just like so. For the excess dough, you can roll it out again and cut it as well to avoid waste, okay? Please, if you have not liked the video at this stage, click the like button to encourage us. Subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. share the video to families and friends, and always drop your comments, okay? Now the cookies is ready to enter the oven. Please bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes or until slightly golden, okay? After 12 minutes, remove it from the oven and please allow it to cool down completely on a baking pan, just like so. After cooling down, this is what we got. Can you see how beautiful and awesome it looks like? This is good. This is exactly what we wanted. As I earlier said, allow it to cool down completely, after which please transfer it inside an airtight container. And here our cookies is ready. Let's go to the table and do we some good. Here I present to you my favorite butter cookies. It was so delicious. In fact, Virtuous family, I don't know how to describe it. Hope you enjoy every clip of this video today. Please, if you do enjoy it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your comment. This is all we have for you for today. Thanks for watching and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.